All right, here I have a 2025 Honda CR-V with the 1.5 liter engine, and then I'm going to show real quick how to do the oil change on the all-wheel drive or your differential. That's what they call it, the all-wheel drive. How to reset the light and what the torque spec is on the drain plugs. And the car has 10,000, like 15,000 miles. I think they want you to change it at 15,000, and it'll show a warning for it. So yeah, to start, when you change it, it's gonna be 1.3 quarts to refill it, and then back here on the driver's side, there's your a fill plug, and you want to loosen that up first. And it's just a 3/8 head of a 3/8 ratchet, and then the drain plug is on the passenger side, right here next to his like black cover, and again it is also a 3/8 head of a 3/8 ratchet. All right, and then when you torque it, it's gonna be 35 foot-pounds. This number under C, it says 47. That's Newton meters, or 35 foot-pounds. And this is just pictures I got off of the internet. This is the oil you're gonna be using is Honda Dual Pump Fluid 2. And then when you fill it up, you're gonna want to fill it up to the fill plug, and then just let it drip. And then right here, to reset the all-wheel drive oil, you're gonna go home. You're gonna go to the side, vehicle settings. You're gonna go to the side, maintenance info, and you can see 6 all-wheel drive oil. You select reset items, go down to the number 6 all-wheel drive oil, and then reset it. All right, so if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.